Okay, good morning, everybody. On behalf of Ravindrik Psychotherapy Research Institute Trust, I welcome you all to this 5-day training on SPSS for beginners. So this is for the beginners, okay, who are very much advanced. They are not eligible. So this is for the beginner. I am repeating. This is organized by Ravindrik Psychotherapy Research Institute Trust. This is registered trust. It is registered by the Indian Academic Indian Trust Act 1882. So in this 5-day program, this is the schedule. Day 1, that means today, introduction, scope, importance and applications plus windows. So I will give the lecture, not the PPT. I will give the lecture and please you write down. Please you open your notebook and you write down. And I am requesting all of you, please register in the Google Classroom. Now, please write the definition of SPSS. SPSS is a Windows-based program. SPSS is a Windows-based program that can be used to perform data entry and analysis and to create tables and graphs. Full stop. SPSS is capable of handling large amounts of data and can perform all of the analysis covered in the text and much more. Full stop. It was originally launched in 1968 by SPSS Inc. Full stop. And it was later acquired by IBM in 2009. Okay, Tanushree, have you written all of them?
Yes, sir.
So please you tell me what you have written so that other people can follow you.
Okay. SPSS is a Windows-based program that can be used to perform data entry and analysis and to create tables and graphs. Full stop. SPSS is capable of handling large amounts of data and can perform all of the analysis covered in the text and much more. Full stop. It was originally launched in 1968 by SPSS Inc. and it was later acquired by IBM in 2009. Full stop.
Thank you. Rekha, can you tell me when it was originally launched? Rekha
Sir,
Shankar?
in 1968.
Correct. Basudev Saha, can you tell me when it was acquired by IBM?
Sir, it is in 2009.
Correct. So please you write down the next thing, scope. SPSS is short for statistical package for the social sciences, and it's used by various kinds of researchers for complex statistical data analysis. SPSS is short form statistical package for the social sciences, and it's used by various kinds of researchers for complex statistical data analysis. The software package was created for the management and statistical analysis of social science data. SPSS is used by market researchers, comma, community developers, comma, social workers, comma, health researchers, comma, survey companies, NGOs, government entities, education researchers, marketing organizations, data miners, and many more for processing and analyzing survey data. Anirban Ranjit, can you tell me where SPSS is used? Anirban Ranjit, you are not here. Okay. Sridevi Dasgupta, madam, can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is mainly used by social science. It is used by social science researchers, as also in the field of health. NGOs, they are used by NGOs, government entities, educational researchers, market organizations, organizational workers, data miners, and others also. Mainly for survey it is used.
Thank you. So if anybody fails to answer, he will be called again 2 times, but again 2 times fail, then it is better to leave the group. Please write down. SPSS windows. SPSS utilizes multiple types of windows. Or screens in its basic operations. Full stop. Each window is associated with specific tasks and types of SPSS files. Full stop. The windows include the data editor, comma, output viewer, comma, syntax editor, comma, pivot table editor, chart editor, and text output editor. I repeat, windows include data editor, output viewer, syntax editor, pivot table editor, chart editor, and text output editor. Anirban Ranjit, are you here? Mohammad Mujail Hassan, are you here?
Yes, sir, I'm here, sir.
Okay, Anirban. So please tell me what are the windows?
Sir, there are many windows, sir. Data editor, output viewer, syntax editor, pivot table editor, chart editor, and text output editor.
Thank you, Mujamil. Anirban, can you tell me what are the names of windows?
Hello. Hello.
Or you can write in the chat box if you cannot, because you are not audible. Okay, now please write down data editor. The data editor window is the default window and opens when SPSS starts. This window displays the content of any open data files and provides drop-down menus that allow you to modify and analyze data. Full stop. The data are displayed in a spreadsheet format where columns represent variables and rows represent caches.
স্যার একটু আসতে বললে ভালো হয়, ফলো করতে একটু অসুবিধা হচ্ছে।
Good morning, sir. So could you please repeat the last 3 lines?
Okay. The data are displayed in a spreadsheet format where columns represent variables and rows represent caches. Full stop.
Thank you, sir. And so the data files and provided, so that's fine also. The window displays the content of the open data files and provided.
The spreadsheet format includes 2 tabs. At the bottom, labeled Data View and Variable View.
Sir, can you please go slow?
The spreadsheet format includes 2 tabs, TABS tabs. At the bottom, labeled Data View and Variable View. Full stop. The Data View tab displays the open data set The Data View tab displays the open data set, colon. Variables appear in columns and caches appear in rows. Full stop. The Variable View tab displays information about variables in the open data, such as variable names, types, and labels, etc. Shivani Pal, are you here?
Yes, sir.
So please you read the data editor.
Yes, sir. The data editor window is the default window and open when SPSS start. This window displays the content of any open data file and provide drop-down menu to provide, modify, and analyze this data. The data are displayed in a spreadsheet format where columns represent variables and rows represent cases. The spreadsheet format includes two tabs. At the bottom, label, view, and variable view. The data table displays the open data sheets. Variables appear in columns and cases appeared in rows. The variable view tabs displays information about variable in the open data such as variable name, type, and label, etc.
Thank you, Shivani.
Welcome, sir.
So now I am showing you is it visible to all of you? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
the
Yes,
screen
yes.
is visible to all of you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here you will find this is the data view editor. Okay. And you will find the variable name, age, sex, education, specialization, current status, etc. Okay. And this is the variable view. This is the variable view. So here you will find the age is numeric. So we have to find out the sex is string. Okay. So all the variables are string. Therefore, age is only the numeric. Okay. Is it visible to all of you? Now you will find this is the variable name. And please follow in the current status. Here I have written current, then underscore, then status. So there will be no gap. Okay. Next is the type, and you have to declare that is which variable is numeric and which variable are which variables are string variable or the character variables. And this is the width. If it is a character variable, what will be the width? This is a decimal value. So if you want to declare that your numeric type variable has some decimal, so that you can declare here. So this is the label values, whether data any missing, no data missing. Okay. Then there is a column, then align, then measure, then hocche roll. So this is all you can find in the variable view window. This is the data view window. I think this is clear to all of you. Now, here I find the analyze. So in the analyze, this is a window. So if I write down descriptives, and you will find there are many variables, but those variables are not here. Okay, you will find only the numeric variable because you are studying the descriptive statistics. So what are the descriptive statistics? we will understand. Before that, we can keep it the age variable. Then it is written options. So these are all the descriptive statistics. Okay. Now I am clicking continue. Is it clear to all of you? Any question?
Sir, can you please repeat once? Actually, for data connection, I can't hear anything.
Sorry, cannot follow. What happened?
Sir, can you please repeat once?
Repeat.
হ্যাঁ অ্যাকচুয়ালি কিছু একটু প্রবলেম করছিল নেটওয়ার্কটা আমি কিছু শুনতে পাইনি
Okay, now you go to the analyze. Okay, in this window you will find there is analyze. Is it visible to all of you? So you click the analyze. If you click the analyze, then you will find the descriptive statistics. Okay, so after when you click the descriptive statistics, then there will be one window. So you are selecting the age variable. Then you select the options, and these are the options.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Now I am clicking it. So this is the syntax. This get data type, whatever the things are written, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. You can easily write the syntax in the syntax window. So this file, if you click the new, and there you will find the syntax. If you click syntax, then syntax window will come up. Okay, and here you will find the descriptive statistics. So here you will find all the descriptive statistics. 202 data are there. Range statistics, that is how many variables are there. 40.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I think the syntax window has not been shared, sir. It's not visible.
Yes, sir. It's
Which one?
visible.
Syntax
The
window is
syntax
clear,
window.
na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So it's not visible. You haven't shared that particular window.
No, because I have not done the work in the syntax. Now I am showing you the output window. In the output
yes, sir.
window,
That
you
is
will
not
find the
visible, sir.
syntax. Is the syntax visible?
No, sir. We are still
No,
at the
sir.
data
No,
view
sir.
window, sir. The data view window, sir.
Oh, acha, sorry. Yes, this is the problem in. Okay. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay, thank you. So this is the output window, and this output window you will find the syntax. It is your function to save the syntax. Okay, if you want to do the PhD work, please you save this syntax, because if you follow this syntax, then if you ever forgotten the data analysis, syntax can provide you that support. So now you will find the different descriptive statistics. Minimum statistic is 19, maximum statistic 64. So these are the sample size. So range statistics means 45. That is 64 minus 19. This is the sum statistics. This is the mean, 33.37. This is the standard error. This is standard deviation. This is variance statistics. This is skewness, and this is the kurtosis. So these are all the descriptive statistics. These statistics are vital to understand the quality of data. For example, you will find the mean is 33.37. Okay, and the standard deviation is 8.86. That means there is a wide range of variability in your variable. Your variable name is age. How do you know? Because your range statistic, that is 45. Okay. And your variance statistics, that is 78.492. It indicates that within group variability very high. It is very natural because their minimum age is 19 and maximum age is 64. I think this is clear to all of you. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is visible to all of you? Box plot?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So here I have clicked the graphs. Again, I'm showing you graphs. Then there is a legacy dialog. I click it. Then I click it box plot. And there are two options: summaries for groups of cases, summaries of the separate variables. I click the summary of separate variables. I click the simple. Now, I am clicking only the age. Options is there. The option not required. So this is the. So again, this box plot provides you the knowledge about the within group variability. And you will find from the, this middle point, this is the median. Okay, mean, median, mode lies here. If it is a normal distribution, but since it is not normal distribution, we can think about the median. And this is the minimum value. So you have noted that is the minimum value is 19. Therefore, minimum value is below 20. Okay. And mainly the data maximum upper range, that is within the 48 or 46 like that. And after that, you will find the outliers are there. Many more outliers are there. So they are basically outliers. So they are the extreme data. Outliers means they are extreme data. Okay. And here you will find the 5 hinges. This is the box whisker plot. This box whisker plot is given by Professor Tucky, T-U-C-K-I, sorry, T-U-C-K-Y. Sometimes people are saying Taki. What are the 5 hinges? First hinge is the minimum score. Second hinge is the first quartile. Third hinge is the Q2 or second quartile. Second quartile means median. So first, second, third, and fourth. Fourth means Q3. That is the third quartile. And the next one is the maximum. This T, you will find 2 T's. Below T, another one is the above the box. Another one is the below the box. Below the box indicates minimum score. And above the box indicates the maximum score. So how many hinges are there in the box whisker plot? 5 hinges. Minimum, maximum, these 2. And these 3 is Q1, Q2, Q3. And based upon the box whisker plot, you can analyze your data. You can understand that is who are your outliers. Assuming that is you have collected the socioeconomic data. The socioeconomic data, that is the income data, especially in case of the urban life, it varies widely. But in case of the village, it does not vary much. Okay, almost symmetrical. Provided you have done the stratified random sampling. So by the different strata, for example, the people who are at the lower income level, people having the kacha house, they do not have adequate illumination at the home. They do not have tap water or electricity at home. Okay, their socioeconomic status and the people who have the pakka badi, electricity, good toilet with washing facilities, and tap water system also. So you will find these are the 2 strata. And within strata, is there any variability or not? For example, you want to study the impact of some social work. Okay, and you have given the training. So what is the impact on the people? That you can study based upon this box whisker plot. I think it is clear to all of you. If you have any question, you can ask me. Now I want to close. It is almost 9. And please you join the Google Classroom where I will give the notes.
Sir, link?
I have given the link in the group. So again, I am giving you the same link. Please join the group as the I have given the link earlier and I find very few people joined. Therefore, it is very difficult. Yes, please tell me.
Sir, where will be getting the software SPSS?
Software that I cannot give you. You have to consult with the vendor.
Okay. Actually, we are getting 30 days trial version. So after
That
30
is okay.
days,
If you have the trial version, you can work. Acha, I have given the classroom. So please you go there and you join the classroom. Because I will give the assignment in the classroom. If you are regular, you can follow. Because sometimes you will find some of my own writings in the Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow again we will meet at 8. Please close your hands for the final prayer. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadayo Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you. Please join the Google Classroom and you will find my notes there. And if you want to share something, you can share now. At least 5 minutes time still there. So if you think that is you want to like to share something, some of your research or anything, you can share. Otherwise, I will close it. Okay, I think there is no question. So